Hi guys, in this YouTube video I will talk about the best computer if you like freedom on your Linux system like Richard Stallman. First of all, here you can buy some products with respect for freedom certifications. It means that the source code for the product is open source as well, and it will work very well on Linux, even the Linux distro that use Linux Libre kernel. Linux Libre kernel is a special kernel without proprietary binary blobs. For example, here it is also important to have open source BIOS UEFI. This project is called Coreboot, or even better LibreBoot. It is mainly supported on ThinkPad, MacBook and other older motherboard with Intel Core 2 Duo, Core 2 Extreme. They prefer these older Intel chips because they don't have Intel management engine that is considered a backdoor. This is the Linux Libre kernel. It will work very well with your devices without backdoors in the system. You also need a Linux distribution that includes only free software, even if the device driver. For example, here the Linux distros, the most popular ones are Twisquel based on Ubuntu. Now it is based on Ubuntu 20.04 LTS, and this one, Parabola GNU Linux Libre, is based on Arch Linux. Another important thing is that you use, for example, desktop computer, you use Ethernet also on laptops. In this way, you won't use the Wi-Fi card, and you won't need the firmware for the Wi-Fi card that is also usually proprietary firmware. As to the graphics card, all of them will work fine except for NVIDIA, because they always have proprietary drivers. My previous laptop had NVIDIA video card and I needed to reboot every time there was a new kernel version with a new device driver. It broke sometimes, but now I have this new desktop with AMD graphics. It works better, even Intel works well. As to NVIDIA, they say that the best graphics for Linux are those ones supported by the free and open source Nouveau driver, that is NVIDIA GTX 600 and 700 series graphics card. Here are some images to show you better the NVIDIA, the best one, 700 series, Intel Core 2 Extreme, best one if paired with motherboard that is LibreBooted. In this way you won't have a management engine and open source boot process. Here the LibreBoot Intel management engine, it is better to eliminate it. There are some newer motherboard with i5, i7 that they remove management engine but keeping CPU microcode updates. Here the Nouveau driver as well. On the 600 series you can change the frequency, but on newer ones such as 10 series like my 1050 laptop, the Nouveau driver cannot change this. It will be locked at boot frequency. Maybe it is why on Linux Mint without NVIDIA proprietary driver it was so bad. This one, a LibreBoot laptop. This one is the keyboard inspired by ThinkPad, the Nipple ThinkPad. Here, trackball. I have a trackball, it works very well. I made a video about it, the Perima 720. And this one, the ThinkPad keyboard, they say it is the best one. Many people have the ThinkPad S230, but they put the 220 keyboard on it. In this way they say it is better because it is mechanical feel like. See you later guys.